Hello people, Joe here. The problem I'm having, my furnace come on, but it's only blowing cold air. So the problem is, I already know what the problem is the sensor. So this is the flame sensor. So let me come with me and let me show you guys what I'm talking about. It's right up in here. Locate your furnace, which is this right here. And you look right in here, sensor right there. You screw that out. There's a screw right there. You screw that out, and it's like a long pole. And you gotta be real careful because it's ceramic and it might break on you. So you just gotta really gentle. Take it out. Take a piece of sandpaper and sand it. Put it back in and crank it up. And I think you'll be ready to go.